Hi, welcome to the AllCasesHere. In this video, we are going to talk about the top 3 best iPhone 14 Pro Max magnetic cases 2022 you can buy on Amazon. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more videos. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on quality, features and pricing. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, check the links in the description below. The iPhone 14 Pro Max is unquestionably the best new iPhone released recently. It has the largest battery for those marathon binge-watching sessions, a massive display with some lovely backgrounds, etc. Of course, there is also a 4-digit price tag attached to it. It's usually a good idea to secure your phone with a case when you spend more than $1,000 on one. Consider purchasing a MagSafe case as well. Accessories for MagSafes have a variety of uses. The best combination for your iPhone 14 Pro Max is a MagSafe case, whether you want to add a wallet or just wirelessly charge your phone. We've compiled a list of the top iPhone 14 Pro Max MagSafe cases for various uses to make your job easier. Choose the one you like. I have prepared this video guide for the best iPhone 14 Pro Max magnetic cases, so let's get started. 3. Spigen Mag Armor, MagFit. When you consider the high-quality materials used at a reasonable price, Spigen produces some of the best cases. The Mag Armor maintains that idea. You will receive a little thick, durable case that gives your phone a high-end appearance. For improved grip, the sides and back feature a pleasant texture. You can use any MagSafe accessory with your iPhone 14 Pro Max while wearing this case because it is MagSafe compatible. Your phone will remain securely inside the case thanks to Spigen's air cushion technology. This is one of our favorite cases on the list, provided that you don't mind the little increase in thickness. 2. Caseology Nano Pop Mag. You get a fantastic balance of protection, and a premium in hand feels with the Caseology Nano Pop because silicone cases are known for their soft texture and drop-resistant nature. Additionally, it's one of the few silicone iPhone 14 Pro Max cases featuring MagSafe. A dual-tone finish gives the case a lightweight feel and an appealing color palette. There are 2 colors available, and each one gives your iPhone 14 Pro Max a distinctive appearance. There are fewer chances of the phone slipping from your hand if you hold it for a long time, thanks to the texture of the cover, which also makes it sticky. This is mostly for individuals who desire a protective yet slim, light, and MagSafe case for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. 1. OtterBox SYMMETRY Series. The durable, fashionable, and accessory adhesive OtterBox iPhone 14 Pro Max SYMMETRY Series case has MagSafe technology. Although the protection is excellent, keep in mind that this cover will significantly increase the thickness of the already thick phone. Extreme protection entails additional thickness and weight, which are exacerbated by the presence of MagSafe. There aren't many options for robust cases compatible with MagSafe, so there's another reason to buy this case in addition to the strong protection. This is a cover that you must take into consideration if you're seeking this particular use case. The case also has a clean, uncomplicated appearance, which is A+ if you enjoy these covert cases. So guys, this was the video about the best iPhone 14 Pro Max magnetic cases. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.